So this is the "What are you waiting for" video. Come on! You've seen all these other videos, or you've seen some of them. There's great student reviews. You could get financial aid if you can't afford the price of the course. You know, you get amazing resources. You have an instructor with over 2 decades of experience. And so this is a great class. I think it's the best class in the entire world. There's tens of thousands of other students who would agree with me, who have left amazing reviews. So you've got a ton of great reasons to take this course. But last, and I was going to say first and foremost, but last and also important is a satisfaction guarantee. So you have absolutely nothing to lose by taking this class. You get a 14-day money-back guarantee. So you could jump into the class, you could try it out. If you find it's not for you for whatever reason, like, you know, you need to learn in a different way, you realize, hey, I really need a book, then, you know, fine, just, you know, request a refund, we'll give you your money back. So you have nothing to lose by taking this class. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. First 14 days, if you don't like it, you get a full refund. So enroll in this class now, click that buy button. It's a risk-free proposition. You're only going to win. This is an incredible class. It offers amazing potential for you to advance your career.